Hello there. Thank you so much for sticking to the course. And this is day 4. And day 4, we will try to touch the home page. So basically, if you remember in previously, let me just make sure that you understand the flow perfectly. First thing first, we give our details, our email, okay, and password. And one other thing that we also give our detail about, like who are we and what are we interested in, right? And yeah, so based on that, they again we also done with the subscription. So once we are done with the subscription, they have give us the screen like customize your experience, right? So based on that, they are processing and they give us the perfect courses, right? So let me also, there is also a very great UX, right? So if I'm not very used to and I don't want a lot of stuff in one screen, right? So they basically give us the perfect course for us, okay? So this is the courses, and even they just show one course at a time, course name, course detail, and also like how long the course is, and then a clear CTA that start course, okay? And even if we want to explore on my own, they once we click on this text button, it take us to the screen where we have for you or the suggestion, like based on our interest, they give us these courses. And they also have beginner, intermediate, and advanced level of courses as well. And like this is the flow. And once we select the course, right, for example, this is the popular course, and we selected the course, right, then it take us to the home page. So this is very easy and very like amazing UI and UX. In the home page, we basically have, for example, we selected the UX design foundation course, so this is selected and we can change it from here as well, from the drop down. But it since we just started, so this is our level 1. Here are our points, and these are the stuff that we need to cover. So for example, if I want to get started, once I click on it, it gives us even this CTA to start the course, okay, and which will be covered in the later courses as well. And most importantly, in this specific day, we will try to cover variants as well. So to understand variants, we need to understand definitely the component which we already have created in our day 3, right? So it was very easy. Now the creating variants, it will be definitely so easy, okay? So right, perfect, let's get started. Okay, perfect. This screen is very easy. Again, we have title, subtext, icon, title, subtext, and some details and CTA. And again, we have this like we will create just one frame for it. And then we have some text and text button, okay? So I will try to go to day 3, and I will try to copy this screen from here. Okay, perfect, paste it over here. And I will also try to speed up the process a little bit as well, because the reason I was trying to show you in a very easy way is because I really want, like, there would be some people who are from the very beginner level. So that's the reason I want to show you in a very slow mode. But right now the course will be getting reading faster day by day. So yeah, and even if you don't understand, you might need to rewatch the video or go to our previous video and explore that video. So, okay, all right. So basically what we need is, we don't need this icon, and we will need this text. So select a course to get started, okay? Then we have subtext. Don't worry, you can always change this later. So basically, it also give us that information that if you can change that later as well, so don't worry about like selecting the courses. Okay, I will try to decrease the size, maybe 12 pixel. Okay, or maybe 14 is fine, but I will make sure it is in one line just like we have over here. I will ungroup it, and this is still in frame, so this is perfect. Okay, I'll make sure to align it the way what we currently have. Wonderful. And again, we have icon, and then text, title and subtext, and some information like the level of the course and the time frame of the course. Okay, and then CTA. So let's do it one by one. First thing first, I will try to bring icon. So to bring the right icon, maybe there are some plugin we can try this time. So let's try. There are some plugin. I have icon scout, but try this one, Iconify. This is very good plugin, and I used it a lot, and it's free, so you don't worry about the subscription. So in here I will try to search design terminology and see if I found, yeah, we can find some icon. It's okay, let's try design. I really want you guys to copy it, okay, to try it, and it will also boost your like design skill as well. But for demonstration purpose, I will try to use maybe different icon. So I will try to use this icon for now. Okay, wonderful. And let me just take it over here and design terminology. Wonderful, and make it bold maybe, and I think this is 16, so yeah, perfect. Then we need subtext here. So for the subtext, I will try this course is a perfect introduction to design terminology for all dot dot dot. Okay, and all right, I will try to make it 14 maybe, and the font width should be regular. Okay, and I will make sure to decrease the size. And since we have the line, we need to also make the line height increase a little bit, so maybe that much. And I think also this should be, for now let's make it 0. Okay, left align, perfect. And okay, and I will try to group this and select this and group this again. Okay, and one other thing, that maybe 42 sides would be perfect for this one for now. And we have this area is created. Now we need to create the beginner and the 3 hours. So to do that, what I'm gonna do is to sorry, beginner. Okay, perfect. What I'm gonna do here is select this and try 3 hours. Okay, and you can see this dot, so maybe I will try it manually. Okay, so to do that, I will just try to hit the ellipse tool and draw a very, I think this is perfect. And since this text and this text is I will not that black, so maybe I will try 60% opacity. Okay, and give this as well. Okay, I just try 69. It should be 60. Okay, perfect. Now what I will do over here is select, I think this yeah, this is fine, but I'll make it 80 for some reason. I want to pop out a little bit more. All right. Okay, this need to be black. So, okay, and now it's 80. 80. This should be also 80 first. Okay, perfect. Now I will try to make it auto layout. This is now auto layout middle line. This is perfect and what we needed. And I think text wise it's fine. All right, I will group this as well along with this one. And what we need again over here is this CTA, which is start course. So I will draw it, or either I will bring the button from our previous video. So yeah, let me just try and take this button. We can also take it from here, this, but yeah, let me take this for now. Okay, I will try to use the component. And yeah, so let me just do a variant of this button. So basically this is secondary button and this is primary button, right? So I will go to the date 3, and here I will just try to cut it from here and paste it here, so at least we know like where we worked on. I think let me just do that in the same day. Okay, but yeah, let me take it over here. Okay, that's fine. Wonderful. Let me delete this. But yeah, now I am clicking over here, but I don't see any properties over here, right? So I'm selecting this primary button, and I will try to add. You can see over here this is add variant. So once we click on this, all right, it duplicate this particularly button. Okay, and I will try now make it button, and this is primary button. Over here we can give it the property. Okay, and this is secondary button. All right, and if you can see over here we have a, a light gray border with black text. So I will give it a light gray stroke, so it should be something like this maybe. Yep, and with white. Okay, with white background, and since we make this background white, the text disappeared because it was also white. So I am just holding command and selecting this text. You can do it manually as well from in the layers, and I will make it black. Perfect. So now this button is the secondary button. All right, so if I come over here and now select this one, you can see over here we have this properties. It's primary, and I can change it to secondary. Okay, so this is it. It was a variant. We created our first variant, and it is super easy. So you don't have to worry about anything, right? This is a step-by-step course for you. Okay, wonderful. So what I can do over here is I will just drag it over here and make sure that this is aligned over here with this one and this one. Wow, we even set, choose the right color as well. This is because of my expertise. I'm pro, right? I'm the best. Okay, wonderful. I'm selecting this and this, both of this, and making it auto layout. So right now auto layout has been given, and what I can do is I will give this auto layout a padding from here, top, and we will give it a stroke so it will look like this. Okay, so yeah, let me just give it a top padding. All right, let me, yeah, I think 24 would be perfect. And from left to right it's a bit smaller, or let's try to do it 16. No, let's make it 24 as well. Okay, wonderful. We created and gave it the fading. All right, boom. I think this is perfect. Now I will make sure to I think these are already selected. Let's make it in auto layout and middle align. Okay, so now this button is middle align, but I really want it to fill this spacing, right? So to do that, it's very easy. What we can do is to just select and click on this drop down of the width one and fill container. So this basically fill this container, the one we give it in auto layout. Okay, and now last thing that we need to do is to give it a stroke. All right, so let me just give it a stroke, and also I will give it a fill as well. And the stroke should be something like this, just like the button we created. Okay, so it should be stroke should be like this. Wonderful, 1 pixel, it's fine, it's perfect. And lastly, I need to make it to give it a roundness, so I think 16 pixel would be perfect roundness for this. Okay, wonderful. We created this card, and I will give it a name is start course. Okay, and yeah, it was super easy. And here we have small shadow as well, so I want you guys to do that. Okay, or even we can give it a shadow, a small shadow, and I will make sure it is 10% or something, maybe 12 pixel. So right now a very small shadow has been given here. Okay, and if you see over here, we have this card on the left, and this is another card on the right side. So this is basically dragging away from left to right. We can drag through the courses. Okay, so to do that, I will just take it over here. Okay, so what I can do is I will just select this. Even let me also do that very easy. I'm selecting this like card, and first thing first, I will name it so course design terminology. All right, and I will duplicate this. Okay, so I just duplicate. Now it's two card are above each other, right? So I will select the first one, and with the help of arrow key to the right, I can do it like this. And once I hold, it's going on the right direction. So because I'm selecting the right arrow. Okay, and once I hit hold shift and do this, now it is very fast. So I think 10 pixel or something, it is, yeah, 10 pixel it's giving. It is increasing by 10 pixel to the right. Okay, perfect. I think we need to give it maybe 16 pixel, 17, 16, and 16 to the right side. And I will again duplicate this, so holding option and duplicate it, and again I will holding shift and left arrow. Okay, all right, perfect. So now it's 5th, I think this is 16. So why you are unable to see this card? Why you are unable? Because if we select this frame, which we needed to name it select course. Okay, and once we select this frame, you can see over here this clip content is checked. So once we unchecked this tick, now I can see what like if there are some content which is we are unable to see it, like half here and half we are unable to see it. So this is the way you can do it. Okay, so I will select this again, this course again, and I will clip this content, and this is very easy technique, right? And one thing I will try to unselect this, and this is the button that I really want to make it primary color. So I will give it a primary color. and again I will clip content. Okay, so this is it for this screen. And yeah, I will also make sure this shift A, make it auto layout, and make sure the space is 48. So 1 2 3 4, put the 7 48, and I will select those both and shift A, and now this is perfect. Okay, wonderful. Last thing is we need to create this text with the button that if I want to explore on my own, I can explore it easily. So yeah, let's do it. So text, not ready to start right away, explore on my own. Perfect. And this is explore. Perfect. Since explore on my own, first thing first, I will give it 14 pixel, and explore my own, it's a bit, you know, like pop out, and it's even bold. So I will make it and leave it the way it is right now, and the rest I will make it regular. Okay, wonderful. And if I select this whole text, I will give it maybe 60% opacity. So now this look the same like what we have over here. And a last thing, this menu bar is not over here, so we need to take it from maybe from here. Oops, from here. All right, and come here and paste it. Okay, wonderful. So the first thing, the first screen is created, and now we need to get rid of this screen.